Hello and a very good morning to all the students. So welcome back. So let us start with the new session known as preset and clear. Okay, we start with preset and clear. Preset and clear. Now what is preset and clear? In the flip flop, okay, FF, okay, very short form. When the power is on, okay, when the power is on, power is made on, okay, we said made on, the state means the condition at which what is the present state of that circuits, okay, the state of the circuit is unknown, okay, it is unknown, or you can say uncertain, okay, uncertain. Maybe the circuits come, this circuit, I'm writing short form SKT, may come to set or reset condition, okay. So when the circuit is unknown condition, certain, or maybe can say it's a set or reset condition. So what we have to do? We have to make it asynchronous. Okay. So we have to make this is accomplished by using direct asynchronous. Okay. Means directly asynchronous we should apply. Okay, synchronous input referred to as what? Preset and clear. These are the two controls, okay, preset and clear. Okay, when the state of the circuits, जेव्हा सर्किट आपण ऑन करतो तेव्हा त्याची कंडिशन काय असतो, तो आउट, आपण जेव्हा ऑन केलं तेव्हा किंवा सेटमध्ये असेल किंवा रिसेटमध्ये असेल हे आपल्याला माहिती नसतं, ठीक आहे. तर या कंडिशनला कसं ओव्हरकम करायचं, मग या कंडिशन माहिती आपल्याला सर्किट शुड ऑपरेट ॲज वी डिझायर्ड, ओके, जसं आपल्याला पाहिजे तसं आपण त्याला काम करू लावायचं. त्यासाठी दोन कंट्रोल्स वापरायचे, प्रीसेट आणि क्लिअर. ओके ओके, प्रीसेट अँड क्लिअर हे कधी द्यायचं, when to apply this preset and clear controls. Okay, so this input, we tell this preset and clear as a input controls. Okay, this input may be applied at any time between clock pulse and are not in synchronous with clock. Okay, so when you have to apply in the synchronous condition, not in synchronous. Okay, getting this, not in synchronous condition you have to apply it. So if PR stand for what? Preset, CR clear equals to 1 and both is 1, the circuit operates in accordance with truth table. Okay, when both the preset and clear are 1, okay, we have to apply a positive logic. Okay, 5 volt logic 1 to both the circuit to operate according to the truth table. Okay, if PR equals to 0 and CR equals to 1, then Q equals to 0 and Q bar is also 0. So this condition should not be happen. Okay, if this is happen. Okay, getting this? So thus making PR equals to 0, okay, whatever the condition may be, okay, PR equals to 0 sets the FF फ्लिप फ्लॉप को तो सेट कर दो. ओके, सिमिलरली PR equals to 1, okay, and CR equals to 0, FF is reset. Okay, so thus the condition may not be used. So this condition should not be also PR equals to 0 and CR equals to 0. Okay, this one is to 0, must not used. Okay, so once the state of flip flop, okay, means whatever the condition flip flop is established, PR and CR means reset and clear must be connected to logic 1. Okay, logic 1. Getting this? So the symbol, what we develop for the SR finally, symbol SR flip flop. Okay, so this is the S, this is R, and this side of symbol like this. Okay, you make it as a clock. Okay, so this is Q and Q bar. Okay, Q and Q bar. So this is what about the preset and why it is being used. Okay, getting this? So in the next lecture we are going to see what about the JK flip flop. Okay, how this the condition of SR can be improved. Okay, getting this? So we'll stop here. Thank you.